Museum. She has been talking about it for weeks, and we gave her the option of either going back to the pool to spend some time with the family or come to the Children's Museum, and she chose Children's Museum, huh?
And ride some bikes.
And ride some bikes?
Ride my toddlers.
Oh, you're trying to do both.
Yeah, still trying to do both. Say hi!
Hi.
She's been mad because she took off her shoes.
Yep. Are y'all ready to go play now?
Ready to go play? Aha! And this is awkward. Because mommy moved. Hey, can I have your foot? Yeah. Yep, shoot. So excited about this. Another foot. Come on, Cinderella. Ugh. What is that? Rested my foot. Watching you squeeze through that is funny.
Huh?
I said watching you squeeze through that is funny.
I may be late to the party, but I swear if no one came up with this already, his name is Darth Tater. Getting some footage of the pretty sky and the road and but everything's so bouncy. I don't know how that's going to turn out. So, I'm editing. We shall see. Louisiana roads. Alright. I'll get back to you guys whenever we get home. So I realized that I didn't show you guys the new truck.
That's right, because you suck.
I know, I'm sorry. Anyway, so here it
I'm so
is. He's so excited about his new truck. So we're going to the grocery store real quick because I kind of can't.
And get some M&Ms.
And get some M&Ms. Okay, yes, we will probably get some M&Ms. And yeah, I can't really drive right now since I'm injured on my right leg.
That's true.
Yay! So I'm technically not supposed to drive. So we're going to the grocery store since I can't go by myself.
Yep, that's true. You know what that means? That means less work for me. That means I don't have to move the car seats from a truck until after her boot comes off.
I'm so ready for it to come off.
It's been like 4 days. She
Yeah.
hates it.
I do.
But hey, on the bright side,
We're going to the grocery store that actually has their buggies, like the riding ones, charged. So I'll be able to grocery shop. Like we tried going to the big Walmart, and yeah, I'm pretty sure all the buggies were just randomly in the parking lot, and you know, the workers didn't go get them. So yeah, there were none.
And
Anyway.
but on the other plus side, I bought this sweet ass truck, which y'all know already.
It's a nice truck.
But
Now it's hard to get us both in here since we're kind of separated now. In case y'all haven't noticed, I'm having difficulty getting us both in the frame since we have this. This is very wide, but hey, that means that there's more room for someone between them.
that's
Previously,
true.
there was not.
That's true. It also means that, you know, Lexi can easily fit
Yes, I
between them.
Oh,
My friend
guys,
Scott easily fits between them.
check out my bruise from whenever I was at the ER. Yeah, took them 6 times to get the IV because my veins hate life, apparently.
Oh, you ready to go? This is a 2007 Toyota Tundra, and I bought it for $8,800. It's got 212,000 miles on it. But this truck is also the most common truck turning over 1 million miles, so I'm not exactly concerned about 212,000. And I live 7 minutes from where I work, so it doesn't really matter.
Iris is ready to get out. Where are you now?
I know!
And we're far away. Why are we so far away?
Oh yeah, that's right. I meant to drop you off first. But you know,
I really don't want to have to walk that. That hurts.
well, you know, you're crippled and stuff, so.
Yeah, I am. What?
Get out, bug. Go away, bug.
Oh, look, it's done. Okay, so I have been editing, and I am trying to get all of the New Orleans trip together so I can just put it all in one go, and so I'm doing that. Hopefully I get it out next week. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. But I finally got a new editing program because, as you guys may have seen, I have had quite a number of problems with it, and that is honestly part of the reason why I just lost interest in doing YouTube for a while. I needed to take a break because the times that I was able to edit, it just didn't want to do, and so it was very difficult to get back into it whenever, you know, my editing program just didn't want to work. So I finally have a new editing program, and so I've been working on it, and I love this thing. It's called Filmora 9. I don't know. It works. It has all the things that I like about the old program that I use, which, by the way, in case you're wondering, is Sony Vegas Pro. That's the one that I used to use, and I liked it at the time, but then it just stopped working so well. And this one, it has all the things that I liked about it, and then a few things that just make life so much easier when it comes to editing. And so if you've noticed that the editing style, I guess you could say, has changed a bit, that would be why. I'm using a new program, playing around a bit with it, seeing what I like, seeing what I don't like. But it's definitely smoother. Like, I'm definitely enjoying doing montages more with it. Oh my goodness, I can speed things up so easily. It's great. I was never able to do that before. It would take me forever to try and speed things up, because it just didn't work quite how I wanted to with Sony Vegas. But this one, it's beautiful. I can speed it up twice, 4 times as fast, 8 times as fast, faster even if I really feel like it, which, you know, that's insanely fast. So there's really no reason for me to speed it up more than 8 times. But yeah, anyway, so that's what I'm doing. Iris is in bed. Well, Iris is asleep. Richie and Ari are in bed. Ari has been sleeping in our bed lately, and oh my god, I'm waking up every morning with my back hurting, my neck hurting. But she always ends up in our bed regardless, and so Richie's pretty much given up on putting her to bed in her bed for now. So let's see how much longer this lasts. I'm tired. But yeah, I'm gonna try and start getting videos uploading to YouTube so that whenever I'm ready to post them, I can just simply post them without having to wait for them to upload. So I'm gonna start doing that. And so yeah, yay, hopefully this whole YouTube thing is getting back going. Oh, I miss it. I really do miss it. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!